How did you convince them to take you?
Yeah.
Was
So
it kind of like you networked and then they like made an exception to interview you, or was it more of you just dropped your resume anyways, even though it said juniors only?
yeah, so it was a little bit of a combination of both. So it was for juniors only, but at my school had a finance forum for women, and the hiring manager was there. She was an alum of my school, and I'd met her. Didn't make a super strong connection or anything, but when I knew she would be interviewing me, I did my homework pretty pretty well, and I found out some deals that she had worked on and projects she was involved in, and was able to just really have a great connection with my hiring manager. And she was, at the end of the day, the voice at the table saying, we got to hire her.
Was
Um,
that before the interview, or was that kind of like you had made the connection before, or that was after you'd been granted an interview?
yeah, no. So I had met her before the interview, and then when
Oh,
I
okay.
um, found out she was interviewing me,
How did you meet her before the interview? How did you
it
even
was
know to
it
do
was
that?
like an alum
Oh, okay.
forum at on campus. Just a ton of women studying finance, networking with each other.